Cold air, silent forests, long empty highways. This is where the story begins. Not in a superpower nation, not in a massive military base, but in Sweden, a country that chose survival over show. This is the story of JAS-39 Gripen, Sweden and its reality. After the Second World War, the world was divided. One side NATO, the other side the Soviet Union. Sweden chose neutrality, but neutrality did not mean safety. If war started, Sweden would stand alone. No allies in the sky, no foreign fighter support. Sweden understood one truth. If you want peace, you must be ready for war. The air base problem. Military planners knew something critical. In modern war, the first targets are air bases, runways destroyed, hangars burned, aircraft trapped on the ground. So Sweden asked a simple question. What happens when runways are gone? The answer changed everything. The Gripen idea. The aircraft needed to survive. It needed to operate from roads, from highways, from hidden locations. It needed to be repaired fast, refueled fast, and sent back to fight. This idea became Gripen. What JAS means. JAS is not a name. JAS is a mission. JAC means air combat. Attack means ground strike. Spanning means reconnaissance. One aircraft. 3 roles. Maximum efficiency. Minimum cost. Saab and the challenge. The Swedish company Saab received the task. Build a modern fighter. Make it light. Make it affordable. Make it deadly. No unnecessary features. No waste. Only what war truly needs. Designed for survival. Gripen was built for short takeoff, short landing. It can use straight highways, temporary road bases. A small crew can reload it, refuel it, repair it in just minutes. Destroying air bases does not stop Gripen. Engine and agility. Gripen uses a powerful and efficient engine. The aircraft is naturally unstable. A digital fly-by-wire system keeps it under perfect control. This gives Gripen incredible agility, fast turns, quick response, high energy maneuvering. The pilot-centered cockpit. Gripen cockpit is simple and modern. Large displays, hands on throttle and stick, helmet-mounted targeting. The pilot does not fight the aircraft. The aircraft supports the pilot. Training time is short. Situational awareness is high. Sensors and electronic warfare. Modern air combat is about information. Gripen sees before it is seen. Advanced radar tracks multiple targets. Electronic warfare systems jam enemy sensors. Missiles lose their lock. Threats are detected early. Information becomes a weapon. Weapons flexibility. Gripen can carry many weapons. Air-to-air missiles. Beyond visual range missiles. Close combat weapons. Precision guided bombs. Anti-ship missiles. One aircraft. Multiple mission types. Early variants A and B. The first Gripen variants were A and B. Single seat and twin seat. Used mainly by Sweden. They prove the concept. Light, reliable, efficient. Upgraded variants C and D. Then came C and D. Better avionics. Air-to-air refueling. International compatibility. These versions open the global market. Why nations choose Gripen? Gripen is not the cheapest fighter, but it is cost-effective. Low operating costs. Easy maintenance. Small nations can afford real air power without destroying their economy. Real-world operations. Gripen has flown real missions. Air policing. Surveillance. Joint military exercises. It has shown high availability. Low downtime. Pilots trust it. Dogfight philosophy. Gripen does not rely on brute force. It relies on awareness and timing. See first. Lock first. Fire first. This wins modern air battles. The highway fighter. Gripen can disappear. One day it operates from a base. Next day from a road. This unpredictability is its strength. Enemies cannot plan easily. The message of Gripen. Gripen proves one thing. You do not need the biggest fighter. You need the smartest fighter. Technology, efficiency, survival. over raw power. Documentary end. JAS-39 Gripen is not built to impress. It is built to protect, not a symbol of fear, but a symbol of intelligence. Sweden defense philosophy, written in the sky as air combat evolved. Speed alone stopped being enough. Modern battles are fought beyond visual range. Pilots may never see the enemy. Gripen was built for this reality. It connects with ground radar, with airborne warning aircraft, with other fighters. Information flows in real time. The pilot does not fight alone. The pilot fights as part of a network. This makes Gripen extremely dangerous. Network-centric warfare. Gripen was one of the first fighters. Designed for network-centric warfare, it can share targets, share sensor data, share threat information. One Gripen sees the enemy. All Gripens know the enemy. This reduces reaction time and increases survival. In modern air war, information decides everything. Electronic warfare as a shield. Gripen does not wait to be attacked. It listens. It detects. It reacts. Electronic warfare systems identify enemy radars early. Jamming systems confuse tracking. Missile warning systems alert the pilot. Countermeasures deploy instantly. This invisible shield often save the aircraft before combat even begins. Maintenance philosophy. Gripen was designed to stay ready. Most fighters need large teams, special equipment, long repair times. Gripen needs very little. A small crew, basic tools, short time. This keeps aircraft availability high. More jets in the air, less jets on the ground. Cost versus capability. Gripen is not built to bankrupt nations. Its operating cost is among the lowest. In modern fighter jets, fuel consumption is efficient. Maintenance is simple. Countries can fly more hours, train pilots better, stay combat ready, without financial pressure. Global operators. Several countries chose Gripen. They needed independence. They needed flexibility. They needed reliability. Gripen offered all three. From cold climates to hot environments, it adapted without compromise. Combat exercises and results. In international exercises, Gripen surprised many, facing heavier fighters, with bigger engines, with more weapons. Gripen relied on tactics, situational awareness, and smart engagement. Results force attention. This was not a lightweight toy. This was a serious combat aircraft. Pilot feedback. Pilots describe Gripen as intuitive, easy to fly, easy to fight. The aircraft reacts instantly. Commands feel natural. This reduces pilot workload and increases focus on combat. In high-stress situations, this advantage matters. Survivability first. Every part of Gripen design focuses on survival. Dispersed basing, electronic warfare, rapid turnaround. Even if one location is destroyed, the fleet survives. This philosophy defines Gripen, the future path. Gripen continues to evolve. New sensors, improved data links, enhanced electronic warfare. The aircraft grows smarter without growing heavier. This keeps it relevant in a changing battlefield. Final message. JAS-39 Gripen is not about dominance. It is about endurance, not about intimidation, but about preparation. Built by a nation that expects no rescue. Designed to fight, designed to survive, designed to win. JAS-39 Gripen, a fighter born from reality, not ambition. A weapon shaped by necessity, not ego, small in size, but vast in intelligence. This is Sweden's answer to modern air war.